Greetings folks, in this video I'm looking at a cool new little model from Banggood. It is called the Space Flight Drone or the TX07, whatever you want to call it, but it is basically a VTOL, a tilt rotor VTOL. So it has the horizontal takeoff, it has sort of straight ahead wing flight, but it can also do a vertical hover as well, so it'd be interesting to try all that stuff out. Here we go. This one comes with a 6-channel radio, ready to fly version. This is the 2-battery version. They have XT30 connectors on them, 2S 1000 milliamp hours. Wingspan 32 centimeters, fuselage length 35 centimeters, total takeoff weight 180 grams including the battery, so it's a lightweight model. I think it still will be able to carry a camera though. I'm thinking of putting my little RunCam thumb up on top there, or even a walk snail Ascent video camera, FPV camera. We'll see. I'll show you that out in the field. Flight time 5 to 14 minutes, depending on how you fly, of course. Less flight time if you're hovering like that. More flight time if you're flying it in wing mode. The rear motor is pointing down. We also get some spare props, 2S charger and a little Phillips head screwdriver. And if we take off this bottom cover, you can see we get very good access to the flight control board. You can plug in Spectrum receiver there and S-Bus receiver there. LEDs on the bottom as well. We do have ailerons there, no rudder, so it's going to just be using differential thrust, I think, or elevon turning. We'll see when we get into the air. Battery access is in the front here. Battery sits in nicely there, very good access. That's much better than a lot of the other little models. That's all very good. I like that easy access there. Kind of needs a little lug to be able to pull the battery cover, the hatch cover off. We also get a little manual, which is pretty good. The servos are actually there's two 2-gram plastics and two 2-gram metal servos. The metal ones will be for the tilt rotors, I'm guessing, because they need to be fairly sturdy. We have instructions for 2 different sorts of radios there. It looks like it is sticks in and down to power it up. Power switch, we have a rate switch here, large or small rudder movement. We have vertical mode, 6G mode and 3D mode. I think that actually means horizontal takeoff, wing mode, and vertical hover in wing mode, so that'll be fun to play with. A couple of buttons here that I'm not sure if they're actually doing anything. 4 AA batteries in there. So we're talking about charging, adjustments you can make down here, how to fly there, and more how to fly. So there's nothing left to do other than take it out and see how it works. Oh, here we go, that's worth looking at. Servo connections, motor connections, and 3.3 volt DSM and 5 volt S-Bus connection there if you want to put your own receiver in. Great stuff. Alright, so I'm looking forward to flying this. I do like VTOLs. A lot of them are very power hungry and you can't fly for very long, so possibly something being this small and this lightweight might fare better. I'm thinking it's going to need very light wind day. We get a lot of wind here, so I might have to wait for the right opportunity to fly it. And we don't want long grass or anything like that, so they're considerations that I'll have to look into. Let's go flying. This is how you know you're in Australia. Come to the golf course and you've got to play through kangaroos and wallabies. Hello, how you going, you cheeky fellas? Look at them lazing around there. Not worried at all, just munching on his grass. Okay, time to see how this little space drone flies. It is part tilt rotor tricopter. It can actually do sort of tail sitter as well. I wonder if I can take off like that. I'll have to try that. So we'll just work out how it flies, and then I'll put a camera on there and get some onboard footage as well, so that'll be fun. A little bit of wind around, but less than we normally get, so that's good. Alright, so vertical mode, then we switch to the middle and push the button for plane mode, and then down for Tailsitter mode, I think. Let's see how we go. Sticks down and in to start up. No, or down and out to start up. No. Oh, there we go. So let's pop it up in the air. So that's the tilt rotor. Got flashing lights. We can change how the lights work. Pushing forward into the wind. A little bit of wind. There's the flashy lights. Change the colour of the flashy lights. Turn it around. Flying like a normal little quadcopter or tricopter. It's quite easy to fly. Alright, let's try putting it into wing mode now. Push the button. Now we're in wing mode, and that's flying like a nice little wing. Nice and quiet, taking full stick. I think I've got rates here I can play with, rudder rates, but that's flying nice and stable. Alright, so let's put it into tilt rotor mode. Oh, look at that, that just flipped into vertical mode. That's cool. Awesome, this is a fun little model. Come down a bit and we'll go towards, push into the wind. I don't know. Alright, we'll go into tricopter mode. I was in the vertical takeoff mode. Why don't we try and take off in vertical? Yes, we'll do that. Alright, we'll land him. How do we stop it? Don't know how to turn it off. Oh, had to turn the rates off. Alright, so we'll put it into VTOL. We'll put it into vertical takeoff mode, or tilt rotor mode. There we go. Oh, that works. Look at that. That is cool. Struggles with the wind. I guess you got the whole surface of it. So I switched from the Tailsitter mode into wing mode there, and that just did the transition nicely. This is cool. You can use rudder as well to turn. That makes it turn nicer. This is cool. I've got to get some onboard footage going because it's going to be pretty hard to see. Oh, this is fun. Switched into tricopter mode and we'll land. Then we'll put a camera on. Oh, Maggie's interested. I don't know how to stop it. Oh, there we go. That was throttle stick down and to the right. This is cool stuff. I'll just show you the LEDs. By pushing the button you can change the colour of the LEDs. Hope you can see that in the light. White, blue, green, blue, purple, white again. Very cool. So here's my little camera. It's a little walk snail Ascent FPV camera, and I'll be recording in the goggles. I don't know if I'll be able to actually do FPV. We'll see. It's pretty light, so we'll see if we can actually carry it. Alright, we shall plug it in. Wind's picked up, unfortunately. I'll have to get this in before it heats up too much. And we're recording. We are good to go. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Oh yeah, that's going to fly. That's cool. Wind is troubling it a bit. Come on. Doesn't want to transition. Oh, I put the wrong battery in, didn't I? That's my guess. It's just might be just a little bit too weight and a bit too much wind for it, I think. Doesn't want to transition. It's just a little bit too much weight, I think. Yeah, that wind is troubling it. Oh, that's a pity. Anyway, we almost got a bit of onboard footage. Got a little bit, I think, but it's just not going to fly with the tiny bit of extra weight, I think. It's just struggling a little bit too much. Can't get any height out of it. Have to charge those batteries up and try again. But that's a fun little plane, or tricopter, VTOL, whatever you want to call it. I think with a decent battery I should be able to get more onboard footage, but possibly it's kind of right on the edge of lift capabilities. But anyway, there we go. A little, what is it, space drone or something like that. Teaches you about tilt rotor tricopter VTOLs or Tailsitter VTOLs, and even flying wings. Very good, lots of fun. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.